U.S. Senators push to finalize crypto market bill as shutdown standoff deepens. Report. Clarity Act. Regulation. U.S. Senators. This concentrated push for Clarity Act, the crypto market structure bill, happening despite a prolonged government shutdown, is a rare point of bipartisan cooperation on Capitol Hill. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Last Updated, 3 minutes ago. Bipartisan talks on a long-awaited U.S. crypto market regulation package, the Clarity Act, have resumed in the Senate, even as Washington remains paralyzed by a government shutdown now in its 31st day, one of the longest in U.S. history. Lawmakers from both parties are racing to finalize the market structure bill that could reshape oversight of digital assets before election politics stall progress. The negotiations, led by key Senate committees, have accelerated in recent weeks despite the broader gridlock. Can the Clarity Act pass by Thanksgiving? According to the report, Senate Agriculture Committee Chair John Boozman, Republican Arkansas, said he and Senator Cory Booker, Democrat New Jersey, are working daily to complete their section of the legislation, which would establish a regulatory framework for digital assets treated as commodities. Boozman said he expects a committee vote before Thanksgiving, adding, "We're going to get it done this year." Booker echoed that sentiment, saying the goal was to get the policy right rather than rush the timeline. Their work represents one part of a broader bipartisan effort spanning multiple committees, including banking and finance, to define how digital assets fit within U.S. regulations and the tax code. Talks within the Senate Banking Committee have also gained momentum. Senators Cynthia Lummis, Republican Wyoming, Ruben Gallego, Democrat Arizona, and Angela Alsobrooks, Democrat Maryland, said discussions had resumed after weeks of delay. Notably, Committee Chair Tim Scott, Republican South Carolina, said he was encouraged by the progress and looks forward to advancing meaningful legislation. Still, some members caution that the bill is not yet ready. Senator John Kennedy, Republican Louisiana, said the legislation requires a public hearing and that many lawmakers still need to understand the issue. The push for progress comes amid warnings that time is running out. Senator Tom Tillis, Republican North Carolina, said Congress must act by early 2026 or risk losing momentum as election politics take over. "I'm not optimistic about us moving much further on anything around digital assets, stablecoins, or crypto in this Congress," he said on Monday. Longest shutdown in history looms. What's next for America? The shutdown, now stretching into its 5th week, has added further strain. The Senate adjourned Thursday without progress on a continuing resolution, guaranteeing the shutdown will last at least 34 days, tying the longest lapse in U.S. history. As of October 20th, 25% of polymarket bettors predict that the shutdown will last until at least November 16th and may drag on for almost another month to become the longest in American history. Funding for food assistance under the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, is set to expire Saturday, threatening benefits for 42 million Americans. The closure, triggered by disputes over healthcare subsidies, has left 1.4 million federal workers without pay, including air traffic controllers and employees at key agencies. Despite the stalemate, Senate Democrats and Republicans are expected to meet separately with industry executives next week to keep crypto talks alive. U.S. lawmakers renew crypto talks, but prediction markets cut odds of 2025 passage to 25%. On October 20th, Senator Kirsten Gillibrand, Democrat New York, hosted a closed-door roundtable with major industry figures, including Galaxy's Mike Novogratz, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, and Chainlink's Sergey Nazarov. Armstrong told CNBC that roughly 90% of the bill's issues had already been resolved and that Thanksgiving had been floated as a possible target for completion. The House-passed Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, approved in July by a 294 to 137 vote, remains stalled due to the shutdown. The measure defines which digital assets fall under the jurisdiction of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and which are overseen by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Together with the Genius Act, signed by President Donald Trump earlier this year, it forms the foundation of the emerging U.S. crypto regulatory framework. White House AI and crypto czar David Sachs said the administration remains optimistic that bipartisan support could still deliver progress by the end of 2025. But prediction markets paint a different picture, with data from Polymarket showing just a 25% chance the Clarity Act becomes law this year, down from 87% in mid-July. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Why is crypto down today? October 30th, 2025 Gemini AI predicts the price of BTC, SOL, XRP by the end of 2025 Ethereum price prediction. Could the Fed's announcement later today push the ETH price to a new ADH? Bitcoin price falls as Federal Reserve cuts interest rates. Are bears in control? Bitcoin price prediction. Grok AI says Bitcoin will hit $200,000 by end of 2025 and it's pure analysis. Not human belief. Is this really possible? Price analysis. Alibaba's Coin AI with explosive 3-month XRP price prediction. Could XRP hit $4.20 by January 2026? 2 days ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Industry Talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 30th, 2025. Crypto market mixed as $590 million in positions liquidated in 24 hours. BTC slips to $109,000. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. News. Anthropic's Claude AI predicts the price of LTC, ADA, XRP for November 2025. 1 day ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 17 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 16 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 days ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.